mo Asante mo som Asante kingdom no munya se mo didi atem no Asante history no de say opese wo kan Asante history enya asam keto every region every tribe be our history. It's not a matter for insults enya atem didi and that even now today Soprano okobo punumwa ugo jiro 100 meters away uba say Nsodania Jensa Polonia Ekrogen. Nobody determines the cause of pra. Asopra being chiran baby on fa. Okwa kobo puma. I sat in this studio and I make a say gamanche manyankna foni nyina abehene.
Asante TV. Yesomo sompa.
Amani ani amamrefi Asante TV mama wakwa bamre dwumadi so yesrew ene na ho dwumadi na be subscribe channel na mai no wa share dwumadi no so ama wunua wo achichi ne benche so anya bi ahwe de se de da munim no ye be pim wo manga nem ne ba na amani ani amamre fa amamman hu nkro hu de a na se Asante TV da de nyina ye kwoti ane de aba na wo so watie bi de yensu ye nim no comment section ho no na wo de gu wo de mai wadwen kire ne nyina ho na wo de be fa Grand Echo Cabanas o mo na so ma se ne me de ne so mo no e ba be ma wo legbosom twepepe ha ya dane de nyina yeso aye ho ne yekolabadi beach ne yekobuja resource ne ade won kran Asante mantem ya ba benya beach enso so e wa hanom legbosom twepe Grand Echo Cabanas wase bra o ye meeting bi nya ba bia be na conference room kakaka da ho no ma bra ne be ye meeting wo ho hotel rooms wo ye wo restaurant yesa wo bar bra be gye wa home ne be home na wo twekura bra be di na wo de wudi na wo twe ne wo wie na se wo kwa se be mpredu ase ye hu sampa ho asisi hu se o swimming pool ye canopy walk ye boat cruise yesa restaurant ne ade no intercontinental dishes ade bia obenya bi e wo honom nti from 0591882030 or Grand Echo Cabanas Lake Bosom Twepepe afensu na Asante Professional Studio se men kan che wo se wona bi atoni bonkum so wo ye na ayi wo pe camera ma na be twa dwumadie no e de amawo mensuro emohu e na me de emo manum bu odene wo de frɛ ye na ne ye twetwe nkomo 0244961189 ye be twa yie no e de ato drive so amawo da che wo de ayen kaidum ye mfa na life kora e be san so afa e de amawo bi kuma bi e na be tu nti memo hu kora nti fra Asante Professional Studio no ma be kɔ wo emwa lawyer Obiri Boahe se de yenim no se de ba Ghana mu dia ni se ba no historian a wo be pim wo my Ghana ma Ghana bakosem de ba kokura no mi nim kura na bakosem any lawyer Obiri Boahe trim ene wo de bia bre na no na ebo no de ene wo de gamanche nkraman hene ene nkraman no so ho abakosem kakra e de abre yenko timra ye ba ne aba besua mu ade.
It is not a matter for insults anya temdie eya disuade eya nimdie eya yepehu uko shama wo mo ba betimi die akonya no asafu companies no 4 you have asafu 1 asafu 2 asafu 3 and asafu 4 in shama history asafu 1 no the original form. Shama people are not fantasy. I have put it on record. Mama Chomon Sancho, Shama for your guans. They are guans. Now I will be from no asafu 2 asafu 3. So asafu 1 from Benny Baba on the day. I will walk better asafu 2 asafu 3. And yes, you better asafu from. So historically, among the Shamas, the asafu 1 and asafu 4. Very the original people, no. The asafu 1 and asafu 4. And you know they owe a lot to the Pra River. The Shamas own a lot to the Pra River. And that even now, today, Soprano, Okobo, Punumwa, Ugo Drosa, 100 meters away, Uba say, Nsodania Jensa, Polonia Ekrogen. Nobody determines the cause of Pra. As your Pra, being chiran baby on fa, or Kwakobo Puma, or baby be obefa, or Timfaha, and nobody ma fa otimba. And when you go to Shaman now, Roman California Basi cross be in 1460 something. That cross is still there. Puruntimi Jirifa cross on Suda. Entimi Jirifa cross on Suda. So in 1980, when Pope John Paul the sis came to Ghana, no, the cross is still there. Punyim for Suda. More than check with the 1500. From 1500 till the next day, check it. Mama kontaye no nkura no na mo fa pen mumo the cross is still there. So please mama wa Asante mama so Asante kingdom no munya se mo didi atem no ana mo so mo other side no especially my own people Br0ken munya se mo didi atem it will not serve Asante history no there say opese wo kan Ashanti history enya asam keto. Every region, every tribe will be our history. I sat in this studio and I make a say gamanche onyan kan fo no nyina behene.
Say case in the said 3 days ago mo issue statement.
My boss good. Me gia no be my everyone and then the editor
say need taki and lache also.
Adama lache. I know the crowd there and I for no. Adama lache and Takino plus another group from Abola Piam. Another group of Gaman Chestu for no. Adama lache.
Who owns sir?
I did a woman. Adama lache Gaman Chenano. The Abola Piam people agreed.
Need Taki.
Yeah, the Abola Piam people agreed. They settled the matter. And the Abola Piam people nanka ye 10.
Okay.
Then they agreed, they settled the matter. So Nitaki any Abola Piam for necessary ye 10 there. It will be difficult for the Adamalache group to
overturn.
Yeah. But Brother Frin can buy for no any woman. Gamashi for no 1511. Sell na odi wa mobile no ye friend James. Anything na wo mkro no wa kodi Jamestown. But you take the Mungwa, you take the Osu, you take the La, but it should be a different group. And that explains why now the president of the Greater Accra Regional Association is the Mungwa Manche. He contested. And then Nita Kina contested. No Nita Ki step down. Etimika ya ne ba be di matem no. Ben kopensia. Ben kopensia. Makoka se indan gamanche no enye ono nkwa na nkan no. Ene dia. Some insulted me. Say no one yesi. Ben kopensia. Na me no I didn't so misprade. Like if you want to be on the Gonja skin, once I was 2, me I was king. If you want to be on the Gonja skin, and also know there was an accord which was signed in 1930. And no Abusiano yam what I said, the worship, the bole, I mean Abusiano ben what I say. Etino omo dey rotate Gonja from dey rotate.
I wanna we di and we di.
Gonja from to say a cropon for no. Once a cropon for me ka say me ensa. What in important no. Me ka say the Nketia family, Amoja family and the Setibia family no. Yeah. If you go to the Dagomba, omo no 2. Dabudu and Dandane. If you go to the Dagomba, omo 2. Once a mama, are you from so more dear? So I so peculiar and but coming back to Brody Diano, because they are all members of the Ashanti Kingdom. Brody, the baby, in fact, Nsoko cracker home. Nsoko also swore the oath. Nsoko also swore the oath on 1st February 1935. But Nsoko, I'm reliably told, sir. They say Nsoko they say ma and that also explains for that say that number do hene be ye na yie no a otumfo na koye king chief mona Badu and Sakwa are one people any buni Badu Sakwa one buni beka sa no be fre no Polango we de mesro mo menkan Badu and Sakwa no ntokwa bi ba be ntam about 100 years back na na ye ba ho and the men can't church and I'm saying it Badu and Sekwano no ya ba ho e de mo fankum kono ho
ba ko ge e
de fankum kono ho be ma ahemfo no be ma na ya ma mo fankum ko and let's advance further so Badu hina ye na be ye no Otumfo was the chief monarch but Otumfo anko no o ma Sekwa hina ne koye did it brothers more party hello guys yeah then Otumfo anko a o ma Sekwa e koye dem pewu hello guys you don't want to right come no you see that thing so these are factual and you know pokuware the very day opoku wa the boss sampa manhene no that very day na opoku wa the boss bechem manhene.
Okay.
The very day opoku wa the second ball sampa manhene no that very day na opoku wa the second obo bechem. And these are hard fast what the panya wa ho a enko ajo bi beka je se bonu le kente na ma mienu kurabu ena bako ka ho bani be ko wura ma be ko hu abo no no nyinu kente. You cannot talk of bonu le kente without mentioning these two names.
So history I war bonure enya dangoma se no it's true say say edo na dangoma se for oni say omo no omo ye the true rivers of kente.
But the bottom line is that Ayakuragu and one person, but beko uram no beko hu abwana na oye no. And that one, and then Kuragu and that person no omo ye bonu for.
Okay.
So but bakwambe hu de ya but my mom history no bonu no Kuragu and one person omo ne ko uram ba ko no mi rafini din kakra. But bonu for. But abana danwoma se ne wo no no ne Kenya se for na anto but be ko de ariam dem timbabi. But I'm a capono, much of it. Made a statement to be enra. Always Trump call baby. Anna or my more represented no. Bako Oko Cancentia Puerto Rico for. So Puerto Rico for near cabbage. And I didn't send Br0ken about. And Kamala Harris said something. My person young family. What I saw at Upratem Didia. Young fam money in Shawonsa.
And link it to Ghana.
Oh yes. When you have a former president can say a stupid economy, stupid something. So what part of the dia? Young from money and Shawonsa Kamala Harris. Of course it's true. You're Donald Trump. But you attend the dia. Omo say what happened in Capitol? Again was in 2020. Or Sunday no. And you know, Kamala Harris are young campaign with maturity and civility. In fact, in the academic circles now, Kamala Harris campaign to say Boahe campaign. Issues based, civility, maturity, humility. Sana akwakwe. Shana no Boahe akoye sa app ya omonkoye about you know.
Taxi for the no.
Somewhere
go drive
somewhere in a go drive na me wait to know machine yes you trouble we are me na me Boahe be president no.
And he said something
maybe I will stop doing politics in Africa. You see Uber app what they earn in a year actually Ghana economy.
Apple.
Just nipadi bring me a distance from society. Binu wa chili don't fa. China me emphasis on don't fa.
Na ya kone sakra ni ya kwachiri dodo. Someone oti Ghana ha na obia mu no. Obia fa ne nyehwe. Na ose ofa camera bakusi ni so. Na even YouTube account say on ya bibi kakra hwanya o ene bosome
you look at this. We are move up a scientific world.
Na hwanya no app na say YouTube na ngasa no oye originator ode buy onu tua ma foka no then o nya o timi nese kanema omo ayisu
TikTok started in China. And it's still in China. TikTok, the beer company no, Shika, Abeka Africa, there's a manabem and some man Nayabum. TikTok. Moko TikTok, the beer moody matter, Cramuni baby at TikTok no free. Only me TikTok no free. No, I'm not a Canadian say, yeah, hello guys. Come on, please. Umme. Edia dinner with him. When you shorten me and I know Br0ken, let me say, and I make a 1st February 1935, the occupant of the domain, and on 28th November 1950, Now, hello guys. Come on, please. Serious issues. So, but me as I'm no canon. Edu babia me say, wait, Bawumia. Oh, Yanko Pona, you know. Enyamina, you know. Enyanipa. It's like my battery. Make a history. Ya bubo de singinano. What the nipa the other to me the wetting. Achadie. Nyaminya di amameno.
Mama so asked 3 questions about me.
No, I mean it's and I wonder how on earth say people should be thinking say yam from manano Mama. How? So that yam from mano because who NDC yade yam teshe yade yam peshe yade on one as the mana it will be different thing. But so okay so we are now share policies. I will never indulge in any debate with you. Afro barometer or ranking 81% see free senior high school or masum 81. Even 19 crack and me pay you and don't well but how 2 days ago me am kroma bronya nkania ba bronya mfiem yeduni yeah na bronya ye krasio bento 2 years bento ni Guinness wa bronye amina krom yanton Guinness wa www na wan beto Guinness no na fridge way aya kwa bronye se ko tom bottled water onya bi jeje bi si ko bi si ma ko se nsuo pipe so o ba fo wi ada ma pipe wo hon ma bebu a oda okoto. And 2 days ago abronya bi yatimanya doma secondary school abronya bi anyanwanchi abronya me krom abronya 27 years.
Then for the first time and now we can say me chira me say BC students ya omo we ya omo results aba omo be course secondary school free SHC basic schools na omo try exams no private schools no this time around eko be 3 4 5 eko 8 years no government schools no bo private schools no omo try say private schools no
yes be a supervision and vigilance nka private school government schools no be ade pa o be ade nanso so akande no be ade
niema government to dey education ma ama a school no are attractive
be ade. And I'm saying say look, government can do more on making sure say government schools on better board. Government schools on better board. Na government schools ba ne pa or te board na chino so betimi a on san fama asore no. Roman Friday fama wo Basre Methodist Ahmadiyya there are some churches been kra ba mona adum chedu anom ne wo ma ba mona
matiti schools
wo matiti school no ba betima gi abane de anu bi arane. Yes,
because bra ya ko school yi say private na me call presby edu kwasiara no pa your friend Sunday school say wan kwa ya ma ro call Monday oba be gwa
ya ko Roman school sa etunim ya yam kraboni so twade ya be pono
wa from no kwaje number
na se no holding tun bi agu etu bi oduru wana per 2 minutes no ba pono ya ko sunlight
ya jiro ko
ya ko Roman school. So see things are changing. And the MPP, apart from the MPP, amanyoku biantimi, amanyoku biara ni ho. Obeti mama Ghana kona ni. Look at shall I Kobochi. Na achievement.
I friend say Commonwealth
general.
And the end this is I say is wakwako wiem.
Oh yes, I was a British Anna. Papa Ben
and mama spokesperson.
British Anna also a correct. And you know a lawyer. Are you lawyer? No, all kasa.
Say on one be chire mu say mama say enkrafo pa aduane dokuno mu ya no. Na o chire mu say
oh you lawyer.
Omudi o kenkiri da.
Oh you lawyer. Na lawyer kura kasa say dia.
Na no nya lawyer dia.
Na ne oti abronye fatiri kosie timami enko no. Pa wosu.
Enkro na wo mo ho ni.
Enkro ni bi. Ko fia ba bi okrom.
O say friend say
fatiri kosie timami enko abronye ya prakukrom aboaja bofokrom bebreka ho. It's serious now. Abronye 2024 lawyer. Now you surprised about Abamba being Casey. Some NDC lawyers speaker on Shebiase speaker on Shebiase on Supreme Court I say, and then some MPs, members of Parliament. Yade kwa beba kwa tena yetina yade ensure speaker yentie court. Come on, NDC and then
the Olu cause Zafon they don't deserve to be lawmakers.
Well, me da me ko cabinet ja
because na too bad.
Mana yo muno atemni and you know, and it's so bizarre. I wonder say can no NDC say na tia na say na NDC abefa sa kalawi. Sure. Sorry. Argument oko resist His Lordship Justice Gabu.
You know, Supreme Court.
You see, in law, a judge will be disqualified from sitting on a matter on some few grounds. One, in the Salah versus the Attorney General, that is a 1969 case. 1969, 1970. Yeah, Salah Benyano, 1970. G&G, 1970. G&G. But in a lot of person. They laid the locus classicus. The judge, you know, myself, peculiarly interest or proprietary interest, or there's a real likelihood of bias in law. So the judge be na nya court nkwampo enya court traditional council abedi ahensem no ebi wo ho no no mo case bi wo ho a obi ko se me wasem kan but me na say no kan or nana we but there was a case we came to traditional council ehune bi ekoje party bi ne yere sa asem ko ho se bensiesie no
nothing be
asem ko no one ne yire nyantokwa na bere ko hene nanim se ben ne ohu asa hene no tware ofachiredi
ana ko ana se de
no no onware ba no wa monani ntabra be no hene na ko ware
ba
no. So there was a chieftaincy problem in the family and a court traditional council. So papa no petition ka say nana we
atema sem so enyi cause I mekura only mame.
So we should not create the impression say Supreme Court nkwa and as asem no esi all over, but the measuring rod near bedding susu yadua but it's a peculiar interest, proprietary interest, and that will show a real likelihood of bias. So Gawu a contesting my MPP 2016 waba bench and wako Supreme Court. What is wrong? What is wrong? Is he the first person but Pejan the number Supreme Court and as a practicing lawyer? No. And would that be the last person? No. Atuguba was appointed to the Supreme Court of Ghana. Br0ken, he was appointed to the Supreme Court of Ghana. There's nothing wrong. His Lordship Justice Yawapau, he was a former regional PNDC secretary. PNDC secretary. What I say? PNDC, any NDC Abanse Ebako. But Yawapau was appointed to the Supreme Court by NDC. But Yawapau, in the 2020 election petition, not to Subi. And you know, I'm so scared and worried about Atuguba and Sofa Yakufu. What comments in recent times? Men can say Supreme Court judges in 100% to men can't.
Sofa Yakufu a hatred.
I wish I don't know what be some. So we need the number so you have the Beman. And Atuguba, a retired Supreme Court judge, somebody who nearly became a Chief Justice, and he acted in the place of a Chief Justice, saying, "Say, a High Court on our jurisdiction." Atuguba goofed. Atuguba, he goofed. Esre, Idaho. Say High Court, na a war, not Supreme Court. The law is that.
Now, why interpret it?
And the law is that it is the Supreme Court that has the exclusive jurisdiction
to interpret it.
Oni obia momuhye, oni obia ni chepe, oni obia ni shika. And Supreme Court kasa, if you are the Nana Adodankwa Akufu Adwa,
you can't change it.
You can't change it.
Being the president, you can.
President Kurao Sabi, number 1 man. And now vice president number 2.
You can't change it.
Nah, speaker. And this particular.
That's also why number 3.
Number 4, number 5. Serious matter. Now, when NDC communicate bia woman issue signed by Fifi Kote.
On the me see on
dated bloggers dated 30th October 2024.
On
signed Fifi Kote, and it's unbelievable. Say parliamentary caucus munyina mo pa majority no
24-hour majority
na Yehu Kran said, Speaker, this is what Fifi Kote said. Speaker, Aboya no hoba, and now Speaker Chere say, Obaboye. Let me tell you, no wonder some George and the others now. Batin can say,
Omanya no hoba.
Pinkasa batin can say, Batin can say. And you know, yes, I made on an F from a TV station B. Now the way he attacked the Chief Justice, we say a
lawyer
thing and coupon.
But never so that Raja could do on me.
Oh, that way. And saying, sir, the emphasis in the crowd, or your bar 97 your buying any pa, or banning answer.
No banning running it.
Now, all your banner. Omo call say omo kwako na oyo ba na madwene ne say obehwe ayifofo now no ma start crash o Chief Justice nikunu wakwako top plot bi nya dada and this year mra makwasi
apem
mako mo ye ten hag
lawyer Obiri Boahe ene yekokotie ne ebaaye no enkrade kakra ene wode amaye no said ye ochire mu no won say obepie mu Asante mantamu a ye nyina ye nim sese bempraduasa yewura yade nyina ene yewura otumfo setutu obia nkro bia wo my Ghana ni ma of my Ghana ne ye Ghana no obia ne na mamere enkrade anaye na gama nchede so na sabi lawyer Obiri Boahe ede ababeboye no hi Asante Maso TV besro so be subscribe channel wa share dwumadi no so de ama afoforo enya bi ahwe se de dan de nyina mane ne amamre me betimi ababesomo wadwenkyire nyina ye comment section wo na wo de befa Grand Echo Carbon and Sefre no 0591882030 se wo ye yie ope ba bi age wa home de restaurant papa ene wo hono mo na boat cruise canopy walk ne ade be bia se bi ye filisi age ya home de Grand Echo Carbon and Asante Maso professional studio o Sefre no obetwa wo be ye wo shoot no wedding shoot no be ye de ato de amount obetwa wedding ni nyina so de amount bibi kuma bi na betia chifo mo 0244961189 we mo ene so ma sene ma me de nesom no e ba be som mo midin e de aduana de hye bedi akon makra mo
Asante Maso TV, yes, so mo sompa.